Yo, what's happening, guys? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another live stream. We are obviously dumping quite hard right now, guys. And this is exactly what we predicted, right? So we are shorting, guys. We are actually shorting the market right now. We've been short since 57,600. So that was the zone that we shorted. And also we're shorting WIF as well, which is absolutely crazy. But overall market looking really, really good here, guys. It looks like we are getting quite a nice reaction. We are short on most coins. So just be careful, guys. It looks like we are going to come down a little bit lower today. We spoke about this dump within my live stream this morning, and we spoke about it last week. Okay. So what are we doing right now in the market? We are obviously being careful because we are getting a little bit of a move, and this entry that we got for Bitcoin was absolutely amazing. We've been holding this trade for a couple of hours right now. So everything looking really, really good to continue to the downside. So I really like the setup that we're currently in, and everything looking like we do want to come down a little bit lower. Okay. So same with over here. Let's have a look at the book map. So the book map, what is the book map showing? Let's have a look here. Boom. Book map is showing that we are obviously looking a little bit weak. Let's refresh this. Let's refresh this. So it's 56K is going to be the next key zone, guys. 56K is going to be the next level. That is something to look at on the lower time frames. 56 and then eventually 55,500. That's going to be the next key level, guys. So overall market's not looking good. So which is why we did take shorts. Remember, this was my analysis today. And yeah, we did actually take advantage of this downside. We took advantage of this downside, and it's looking really, really good. I do think that we're probably going to see 54,500, which is the next key zone. And if Bitcoin can take out this low right now, I think it's possible that we can come a little bit lower, guys. I honestly think it's possible that we can come lower. And obviously WIF as well, doing absolutely beautiful. So everything's looking really, really good, guys. I'm not gonna lie, everything's looking really, really good. On the 1 hour as well, looks good. 30-minute, 15. Yeah, it's a nice little dump. It's a nice little dump right now. So yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, we're getting another push here, guys. We're getting another push. We're getting another push here for Bitcoin. You see, we're liquidating all these shorts, guys. We're liquidating pretty much everything here. Yeah, I mean, overall market's just absolutely bearish. And yeah, let's see what happens. Right now the market is not looking good. We spoke about this. We spoke about what's happening. If we look at the daily, how everything's just flipped bearish here, guys. Look at the 8 minutes here. Sorry, look at the daily right now. Everything's kind of flipped bearish here, which is absolutely crazy. Yeah, it's absolutely insane what's happening in the market right now. We're seeing a big move here. Bitcoin's still coming down. I think everyone's just trying to long the market right now. Everyone's trying to answer the market right now, and obviously right now it's at a situation where we kind of just want to take shorts, right? Look at this, guys. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Look at this, guys. Look at this setup that we're currently in. It was absolutely beautiful. Look at WIF as well. It's absolutely crazy. We entered over here. That's crazy. Yeah, it just shows you what New York volume can do, right? It just shows you what New York volume can do. And yeah, obviously we're getting a push. We're getting a push. So let's see. WIF looks good. INJ looks good. We actually did take a short here, but this was, just everything. Everything is just dumping, bro. Love the look of this, guys. Love the look of this. This was beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. The market's literally reacting right really well. I'm loving this little dump here, guys. I'm loving this dump here. Bitcoin looking absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Ooh, Bitcoin 2.24 million contracts sold. Oh, look at this, guys. This is crazy. So we shorted Bitcoin at around about. Here we go. Yeah, it's dumping so hard, bro. Dumping so hard, yeah, guys. Beautiful trade, honestly. Honestly. Look at this, guys. It's absolutely crazy. So crazy. Market's getting absolutely destroyed here. We're almost on 100% for Bitcoin here. And yeah, I do think that we can come lower, guys. I think that this is the level. This level here honestly looks really, really good. WIF as well, dumping really, really hard. Look at that. That would have been a great setup if you took it like this. On the break of that low, it's almost like a head and shoulders, basically like a head and shoulders, and you take sells based on that. INJ looks good. Bitcoin still looks really, really good. What a great day. I mean, obviously we are dumping right now, but overall, what a great day in the market. What a great day in the market, because remember we take sells to the downside, of course. Of course. What else? Yeah, I think just everything's kind of bearish, guys. Everything's just really, really bearish, which is quite crazy. Remember that this dump isn't just getting started, I think, guys. I honestly think so. I think that this dump is just getting started, and I don't think that we've got long left, honestly, guys. So what I'm thinking is we are short on this, and basically what we got over here, everything's kind of starting to flip bearish here, guys. Everything's kind of starting to flip bearish, and Bitcoin and WIF. So we shorted this from the highs over here. Bitcoin shorted, INJ. We also took a short. Everything's just going to our plan. So what I'm thinking is right now is, do we hold these trades or do we liquidate them? And I'm thinking we can hold some. We can hold some, of course. But yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. If Bitcoin breaks this low over here, we're probably going to see 54,500, to be honest with you. 54,500 is probably going to be the next level, to be fair. WIF, look at that. That's insane, bro. And then Solana, we took a short in Solana as well, but it's breaking levels. I was looking at a long today, but I'm not going to take that anymore. We hit TP here for Sol. Everything's just going to plan, right? Everything is pretty much going to plan. And we're seeing quite a lot of money flow out. I'll get the thing just now. But yeah, everything is looking good, guys. Everything is looking good. Overall market, it's just too bearish at the minute. So yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so WIF still looks good. Bitcoin dumping. Everything dumping really, really nicely, yeah. Solana dumping as well. Everything just went to plan today. It was just one of those days when you take shorts and your plan just plays out throughout the whole day, right? So it's just one of those days. You know, you can't really get anything better than that. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see. 55,700 currently. The next key level here for Bitcoin is at 53,300, 55,300. We got some liquidity built up a little bit lower as well. Fear and greed index obviously coming back a little bit, 29, but 17 was yesterday. Remember, 17 was yesterday, and obviously, yeah, I do think that it's possible that we can come a little bit lower, guys. I honestly think that's possible. But let's see what happens. I'm loving this market right now. Everything's just playing out really, really nicely. But yeah, a lot of people are just scared right now. Right? A lot of people are just scared at the minute. So just be careful. Just be careful. Just be careful. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Overall, market still looks really, really. Everything kind of just looks terrible, guys. Everything looks really, really bad. Yeah. Everything looks really, really bad. But yeah, I mean, I'm loving this setup. Bitcoin just dumping really, really nicely. Yeah. Look at this. Next level is literally 54,500. That's literally the next zone. Let's see. Okay, so obviously right now it's just kind of just chilling right now. There's a bit of whale activity earlier. This was why we actually took the short. This was based on the whale data, and basically what we had here, we had over 6,000 Bitcoin being transferred to unknown wallet, two actually. So this was obviously indication that price was most likely topped out. People are trying to sell it off as well. So I mean, it's the market's just looking terrible. And yeah, the next key level is here. And yeah, I went through exactly what I'm thinking within the live. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see. A lot of people on Twitter nowadays are just flipping bearish, right? I mean, yeah. This guy's always bullish. Everyone's trying to just be bullish as well. But you know what? The market is actually bearish. So right now it's just sitting at one of those places, right? We just have to obviously just be patient, right? We have to be patient with the market, and the market it will bottom, right? I'm expecting a bottom for Bitcoin to probably be at around about potentially like 39-40K. That is a potential. That is something that I'm looking at for potential bottom. So there is more downside, guys. There's more downside. So let's see what happens. Overall, market's still obviously looking bearish. So what I was saying actually in my analysis this morning was that the daily candle from yesterday's over here didn't close above our level, which was exactly what we wanted. It's exactly what we wanted and exactly what we got. And yeah, I do think that it's possible to get a flush of 39-40K. Definitely possible. Definitely possible. So just be careful of that. Definitely be careful of that. But yeah, I'm liking the setup. Everything's kind of going to plan. USDT dominance is pumping right now. Look at that, beautiful. USDT dominance is pumping right now. Yeah, this is exactly what we thought, right? We had that break of that level, beautiful, and now we're seeing a massive push. Okay, so Solana could actually pump from this level, to be fair, because Solana has been quite bullish. So there's a possibility that it can just pump from this zone. It's definitely possible. It's definitely possible. But yeah, I do like how the market's reacting right now. It's beautiful. We obviously did close below this trend line. From here, this was a level. We closed below, and yeah, it was beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. WIF, we took some TP here at 1.6318. That was the zone that we were targeting. We do have a little bit more down, a little bit lower, but yeah, like everything's just kind of playing out to what we wanted, right? So it's looking good. Overall market looking good for sells, not for buys. But yeah, let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see. So Bitcoin coming up a little bit right now. INJ, we're seeing a little bit of a relief bounce, to be fair. Seeing a little bit of a relief bounce, but that's nothing too crazy. Just be careful. I do think that we're probably going to just flush out these lows, to be fair. I do think it's possible. But yeah, I do appreciate everyone joining today. Bookmap's looking really good. Liquidity, Solana, yeah. Yeah, I like the look of this. I like the look of it, especially with Bitcoin. Because if Bitcoin can just break these lows over here, then we can see a little bit more downside. We also we took a short on Ethereum as well. So if we have a look at ETH, if we have a look at Ethereum, we took a short from pretty much the highs. We took a short from here, 2,536. That was our entry. And yeah, we took profit at around about this zone over here. But yeah, the whole market got absolutely smacked, and there was no real reason. It was just because everything is just over leveraged. But yeah, I like to look at this. I do like the look of what's happening right now. There will be a little bit of buyback, and I do think Solana is going to be the one that's going to do well. But I'm actually looking to short more Solana actually because it's back. I'm probably just going to stay out of for today, to be fair. I'm in too many short positions. So, but this is a good entry for Solana shorts. Another one over here. We took all of these trades in the Telegram group. We took all this trade on Telegram group. So if you guys want to join that group, make sure you guys can message me on Twitter, or you can message me on this account over here. And yeah, make sure you guys do that ASAP. I'll send you the group. We can definitely get you guys involved to take these setups with us. Because I mean, this is something we took today, and obviously if we refresh this, August is probably going to be a lot worse now, probably like 15%. It's still 12. What? That doesn't make sense. Yeah, okay, 11.59. Okay, but yeah, that's my thoughts for Bitcoin right now. I do think that we can come lower. I think that possibly we can definitely come full this wick over here and potentially come a little bit lower. But yeah, I do appreciate everyone joining today. I hope you guys did have a good time, and you guys did learn something. Remember, these trades were all sent out today. We took all of these live, so make sure you guys do join for tomorrow's session, and I'll see you guys then.